Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today I'm gonna show you something interesting about the Bitcoin. A lot of people have been asking what could be the BTC price in the coming days. So here is an interesting phenomena which I found. Let me show you. This is the weekly. Okay, first I'm gonna show you with the help of weekly. Let me turn off the Fibonacci retracement for now and to make the chart more clear. Down there you can see I have plotted the RSI indicator, which is a momentum indicator. It shows the momentum of the market. Now if we take a look at the rally which started back in, let me show you here, which started at this date, 12th October 2020. Okay, the rallies, you can see here the rally started from 12th October and it went to made all-time high around this area here on the 4th of January. Now you can see the volume was increasing, and also let me draw the level from this area as well on the RSI, and you saw the momentum was increasing, the volume was increasing, so does the price. So all three things were in the bullish and they supported each other. So that was a bullish momentum. Now what happened after that? When we saw a correction at this level, the price went up to make a all-time high. Okay, but down there the volume started to decline, you can see, and RSI also did the same. You see, both were going down, the volume was going down and the RSI was making lower lows, and it was a bearish you say the bearish divergence. And what happened after that? We saw a huge price down from almost 57,000 and it went down to 30,000, 20,000 in 2 weeks, 20,000 fall after 2 weeks, and it was a bearish divergence you saw here. Now again, this is the third phase of the Bitcoin. Okay, after some consolidation, okay, you can see here, but the volume is again decreasing but the price is increasing. The volume is not supporting the upward price, which is quite very cautious thing, you can see. It's an alarming situation. Yes, it can, one more push. As you can see here, we've been in the uptrend since 1 2 3 4 5 weeks, guys. It's been 5 weeks and still the price of BTC is going in the upward direction, but the volume is not increasing, the volume is decreasing, guys. It is a main concern. And if we take a look at the history, we saw, and also just take a look at the size of the candles with the volume. Now let me show you an interesting phenomena here. Now take the look at the candles, okay, these candles and these candles, okay, and on downside you see the volume bars at this area, okay, and see the corresponding volume bars at this area. What do you see? The volume was immense at this area, okay, the volume was huge and it was a momentum builder. The momentum was up downside from the RSI, but here at this area the price is going up but there is no momentum. You see here, there is no volume increase, there is very less volume. So I'm going to be very cautious about the bullish move. We can see a price go down, because you can see whenever there's a huge increase in the volume, usually these are at this area, it was the institutionals, okay, big players, whales, okay, big institutions, they were putting in the money. And what they did, they slowly put the price up, brought the price to that all-time high, and then they took off the profits. Now again the same thing is happening. We might going to see a little push on the upside before a fall down. Now let me show on the daily chart. Okay, let me show you the daily chart here. Let me show you the RSA now. Let me delete this one. No, I'm gonna show you the current scenario. Okay, let me show you the current scenario here. Now if we take a look at the price, let me draw the rising. It's forming a rising kind of channel here. You can see here. Okay, it's forming a rising channel. You can see the price is going up, down, up, down. We might going to see another push on the up before falling down here. Well, if we saw increase, if we see anything or huge volume or huge bullish volume, we can see the price can break out on the upside, but more chances are the downside. Okay, you can see here on the RSI the momentum is lost. You can see there is not a lot of momentum. It's you can see here it is reaching near the 70. Okay, so you can see here, if I go back, let me show you. If we see these three peaks, you see the momentum was lost here, and you can see here again the momentum is getting lost, but the price is going up, which is a main concern for me. And on the downside you can see the volume is also going down, so that is a bit alarming for me. So it also can be a trap, okay, for the bullish traders. So we might going to see next week, maybe week after that, or next week, okay, within 7 to 10 days, we might going to see a correction or huge sell-off. Sell-off is different than these corrections. Okay, these are corrections. Okay, these are called the corrections, small corrections. Now if I show you this one, this was the huge sell-off by the institutions. Okay, these are huge sell-off. So this is momentum. There is not a momentum in the volume, not in the RSI, but the price is increasing. So I just wanted to warn you. I just wanted to give you my review, my general view on the Bitcoin. It can go up before last push. You can see up to this level here. Okay, let me draw the price tag from this area. Let me show you this. It can go to up to 50,000, and after that we might going to see a huge fall down to this area. It can be expected as well. Okay, let me warn you as well. Okay, we might going to see a fall down to 40,000 because the volume is not much, and we can say that the huge institution players might going to take profit and sell off. So you have to be careful. Okay, be careful. Not a strong signal for the longs, and it can be a trap for you. Okay, so my duty was to just to give you my general view. And rising channel, let me show you. This is the rising channel. Okay, this is the similar pattern you can see here. We saw one touch and two touches. On the third attempt it went up, and then the price moved down. Let me show you here on the chart. We saw here 1, 2, 3, and now we are heading towards the fourth, and more touches, and we might going to see a fall down. Now let me show you this one. You see here the price went down sharply, and let me show you some more rising channel like this one here again. Okay, so these are called the rising channels. Okay, so basically these things happens, and this is what this is: higher lows, okay, higher highs, but these are not supported with the volume. And higher lows, higher highs, ascending upward trend channel. Okay, breakout point. So you can see either we're going to saw breakout from here or from here near the support or resistance levels. So if it tries to reach this level, okay, BTC, we might going to see, you have to look for this area, very important area at 51,000, 50,000. If it moves up with a strong volume, then we might going to see a breakout on the upside. Otherwise we're gonna see a sell off. So the video is pretty long, but that was my general view on Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.